Hey everybody, we are celebrating a huge milestone today. It is 1 million. No, it's not a million views or a million subscribers, I wish. By the way, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, I really encourage that you do so. I don't make a living off making YouTube videos, and the more people that subscribe, the more great content I can create and then share with you. Anyways, we are sharing 1 million miles with Air Canada. It's been almost 2 decades since I've been flying or started my Air Canada Aeroplan account, and look what just arrived today. A special box. It's got tamper-proof tape on it. It's FedEx overnight. So yeah, 1 million miles I've flown with Air Canada. How far is that? Well, the moon is 238,000 miles away. So I've basically flown 4 times to the moon in the last couple decades. Yeah, so it's pretty far. It's a pretty big deal. To be a million miler for Air Canada, it's only on their planes. So even if you are flying with a partner airline, like Lufthansa, United, for instance, those don't even count in your million mileage accumulation. So anyways, let's get to this box and open it up. We have now broken the tamper-proof tape. Okay, there's more tape down here. It's taped up pretty good. Nothing a good old steak knife can't handle. All right. All right, here we go. Oh, look at this. Look at this box. Ooh. Let's put that away. This is a really nice box. Okay, let's do it. Let's open it up. Look at this. It says million miles. Have a look. See that? All right. So we open this up. It looks like there's a couple parts to it. So that is a smaller box, and I bet you that probably has some reading material probably. Yes, there it is, dear Brian, and it has a letter from the president and CEO, Calvin himself, from Air Canada, a special Air Canada card, and it has a 1 million mile insignia on it. And you open that up, more cards, lots of concierge card, and yeah, so they really recognize that you really did hit a big milestone. So let's put that away. There's got to be something more into this box here, because there's a piece of ribbon. Oh yeah, that's right. This is a stand. It says my name, 1 million miles, Air Canada, and the stand is for this beautiful. Look at this. I got my own Dreamliner. So we need to probably put the wings on it. So it comes with, okay, this package was inspected by this person. This is the Boeing 787 assembly instructions, and here is part of the stand, and here are the wings. So while we put it together, let me explain what else you get for reaching 1 million miles. Because it's not that you just get these tags and you get this plane, which is really, really cool. But what you do get, more importantly, is you get Air Canada's altitude 50K status for life. So if you don't know how it works, they have 25K, 35K, 50K, and 100,000 or 100K for status levels. And each level gives you different benefits and different privileges. But the important one really is the 50K, because that is also the standard, the equivalent for Star Alliance Gold. And if you fly with the Star Alliance, all the partners, for instance, you have United, you have Lufthansa, you have Singapore, Swiss Air, just to name a few. When you fly with them, you get gold privileges. So 50K with Air Canada, what does that give you? It gives you a lot. First of all, you get priority boarding, you get priority baggage. Also, you get free baggage with a huge allowance, 3 bags at 70 pounds each. You also get complimentary seat selection on flex fares and up. And of course, you have access to all of the Maple Leaf lounges all over the world, plus all the Star Alliance lounges also. So if you're flying a Star Alliance partner, then you could be in Beijing or you could be in France. Doesn't matter where you are. If there is a Star Alliance partner there, you can go into their lounge and you get that for life. So those are some huge, huge perks. By the way, here's an interesting fact. In over 1 million miles flying with Air Canada and almost 20 years, I have only had 1 bag lost. And even when that happened, it wasn't the airline that actually lost it. Someone actually grabbed my bag off the carousel by accident, and I did get it back 3 days later from the people that actually took it. So call it whatever you want. I'd say that's a pretty good record. Also with Air Canada's 50K, you get e-upgrade credits. So you can apply these credits toward flights and get yourself into the business class cabin. That is a huge benefit. So a lot of people are saying, well, I'll never hit 1 million miles. I never thought I would hit 1 million miles either. Yeah, it took me 20 years. Some people can do it in probably 3 or 4 years, but you never know. Life could throw a curveball at you. You might get a different job that you have to travel 4 or 5 times a year, and it will add up. My advice to you though is check around what programs are out there and what works for you, and stick to that program. Don't hop from one to the next, to the next, to the next, because if you do that, you won't get anywhere and there is no benefit to that. Look at that. Look at that Dreamliner. Thanks for watching.